Now you have a series of uh, hashtag characters, but the pyramid shape is still missing. Fortunately, the I variable represents the current row number in your loop, enabling you to use it for crafting a pyramid-like structure. To achieve this, you will use the repeat method available to strings. This method accepts a number as an argument, specifying the number of times to repeat the target string. So we have an example code, a variable named as activity, initialized with the keyword const, and then assigned to a string code. And then we called in here the variable activity and interpolated the method repeat. So the method again accepts a number as an argument, specifying the number of times to repeat the target string. So we passed in here 3. So of course it will repeat 3 times. So it will output code, code, code. We are tasked to use the repeat method on our character and give it I for the number. Okay, so we have a character here assigned to a string hashtag. So since it has already been declared, the character, which has a value of a hashtag string. So we have to call, in order to use the repeat method as instruction stated, we have to call the variable first, which in our case is the character, and then interpolate the repeat method, and then pass in the value of I. So it will repeat, or the value of the character variable will repeat in the number of the value of I. Okay, let me repeat. So the value of the character variable will be repeated the time will be repeated by the number of times of the value of I. So if we read that one, so I starts from 0, and then as long as it is less than count, count has the number of 8. So the least greatest number less than 8 would be 7, and it will increment. So the character will repeat, the value of character will be repeated 7 times. So it is correct. So if we, this should be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Crazy. Wait. So start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. So correction, it will repeat 8 times, not 7. In here, it would be 7, but it will repeat 8 times because the 0 will be included. So anyways, nice.